Everyone, this is Joseph. I'm back after actually spending 1 week on vacation, spending a few times in province. I know you guys miss me. If not, then I don't know. But hey, by the way, right now we are here to introduce a new topic. I think everyone will relate to this one.
Most likely.
This is all about art.
Yeah.
Quite a big concept, but we'll get to it later. But once again, just to introduce myself, ako po si Joseph. Kasi Tagalog daw pala, so pasensya na, nag-English na naman ako. But Tagalog, ako si Joseph. Tim, your usual hosts. Chris, of course, the GOAT. We have a new guest, our new hire, JB. His name is JB, our new hire, video editor sort of stuff. Still figuring out what his actual job is, but he's currently editing videos.
Yeah.
Denise, of course, what's with the long face?
Hi.
Denise, say hi to the camera. Say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone!
Okay. Okay, that's it. Excellent. Now, to serve you the dishes we're going to cook today, let us cook. Like I said earlier, going to talk all about art. This is episode 9. Episode 9. Wow.
9.
Can you imagine episode 9? And don't forget, we already have like 7 members.
7K, yeah, we're growing
I
fast.
mean,
Yeah.
medal for all of us, right? Thanks.
Yeah, and before we move into our episode for today, if you're a fan of freelancing, business, and success stories, then you've come to the right place because that's all we do. And we upload once every 2 weeks or twice every month. So if that's with interest to you, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads.
Yeah, and before we forget about it, you're probably wondering, where's Miss Ree? Are you guys wondering? Where's Miss Ree?
Oh no!
Miss
Oh
Ree is
no!
currently, taking her a few times off. I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it, but she's
Yeah.
there somewhere.
Yeah.
Having fun, hopefully. Hi, Miss Ree. I
Hi.
miss you already, man.
Eh.
Thanks for the food again. Yeah, I guess it's all for me. Do you have any? Before that, I guess just a few icebreaker question. Just wanna ask how are you guys? How about you, Denise? How are you?
I'm sick.
Yeah, I mean it's flu season, so we can't really do anything about it. So you're sick. Anything else?
Nuh-uh.
Oh.
No.
How about you, JB?
Nonchalant
Musta
si JB
musta ka naman,
bago.
JB? Musta ka naman? Musta ang first few weeks working in Recruit Asia?
I'm doing great kahit kahit medyo pinapagalitan ni Direk. Yeah, I'm learning and also I'm also mastering the skills that na-obtain ko dito sa Recruit Asia.
Let's go.
What's up? That's what's up.
Oh, by the way, this is my my new video editor, but I still need another one. So
More, please. We need more.
I need another video editor.
At this point, we might as well start making a movie, but
Yeah.
of course, Chris, how are
Yeah.
you, buddy? Did you miss
I'm
me? I
fine.
was gone for 2
Yeah, my guy, you've been very long gone.
You guys messed me up with those, but hey.
Last episode, if you didn't catch it, wala si Joseph. So that's the only episode where we had peace. Joke lang.
Oh, I'm hurt. I'm genuinely hurt. I'm in pain. What the? See, after being gone for a week, I'm being like assaulted by everyone. We're kidding. We love each other. Right?
Yeah, we do,
Right?
yeah,
love each
yeah.
other, right?
Love each other.
So, anything else to add? How's your Tagaytay trip, bro? Can you talk about it a little, bro?
No. At the behind stays in Tagaytay.
Okay. I mean, we all had our few resting hours.
Me times, yeah. Me times.
Our times. Like, I mean, we can't be always this smart. I know. I don't mean to brag, but we're all geniuses here, trying to pretend to be dumb. That's just a way to cover up the naturally dumb. But anyway,
Yeah, creatives and stuff, you know. For me, creatives, ayun yung isa sa pinaka-popular na freelancing niche dito, or freelancing forte sa...
before that,
I mean,
hold a thought.
creatives are what you call.
Hold a thought. How about you? How are you? I'm asking Dom's big question.
I'm good, bro.
No, you have to be more in depth with that. People want to know. How are
I'm
you?
good.
The usual.
You can say you're good if the despair is painted all over your face, bro. So, is it? Oh my god, I have to deal with Joseph again.
Living
Oh.
life, bro. You know what I mean?
Life
It's all
being
good.
then. Okay, I guess that's all. As for me, if you care, I'm alive.
Yes.
As you can see,
As you can see.
I am alive.
I am not dead.
I am not dead. So yun.
Oh, I miss Miss City already. Actually, I'm sorry you're not here right now, so I don't know how this podcast will turn out, but we'll do our best. Okay, so you might want to start, Chris. Just to preface to everyone who's watching, amongst all of these people I'm sitting besides with, I'm the person who's not into art. Although I love appreciating art, but I have zero skills. I lack talent.
Guess the
Chris, I
imposter.
will send you pictures of some of my drawings, but here, if you're interested to look at it, it's hideous. It looks like JoJo characters, but
Yep.
yeah, that's that. So it's quite like obvious, like what they call this, like a comparison between someone who's completely unaware about things that you do in art world. Is for me, I'm a simple gentleman who loves just doing whatever I want.
Yes.
Sorry. Now, to start, just to like cover everything up, how to start freelancing
Yeah.
as
But-
creative.
How did we start though?
Okay.
Ano yung ginagawa natin currently for
Hey,
pag-
I used to dabble, but not anymore.
Yeah. You guys use.
Kayo ba? Ako hindi na masyado. I mean, now and then. Part.
Creative is
part-time.
just like that one dude on a retirement bro watching his
Shut up,
old,
bro.
old stuff. I remember back in the days
Back in
when
my day.
I was bagging a lot of
Kasi kayo.
kaching.
Ano yung tanong?
Ah,
Just an educated guess. How do you think? No, how to start? Not
how
educated.
did you start?
How did you start?
Kasi di ba may portfolio akong sinubmit, ang dami mong portraits doon.
Yeah.
Portrait arts. Meron din natin mga photo edited na items doon.
Yeah. So before, when I was at the province, syempre, I was an architecture student, so yung mga sinabi nga ni Chris, yung mga nakita niyo sa portfolio ko dati is, that are actually my rendering illustration of my kung ano yung mga ginawa ko sa SketchUp, which is yung mga bahay lang yun. Yun.
SketchUp.
Pero kung if he's referring to a certain digital art, I have really no
Experience. But I think it's quite inherent for example, architecture student that before they apply to the course, right, they have to be at least have the creative inclination to create something.
I mean, for sure.
Yeah, and I don't know if this is relevant, but I think the range of creative architecture student in world of creatives are vast. I think you guys could dabble in game designs too, right? If I'm not mistaken. Game design.
Game developing.
Game design.
Kinda. May kilala kong may creator sa YouTube na ganun ginagawa.
Diba? So great. Sorry. Go ahead. No.
Yun nga, gumagawa siya ng world. Tapos ginagamit niya yung architecture skills. I mean, technically, architecture in essence is related to creativity. May iba-ibang styles, may iba-ibang other than structural na dapat safe, ang daming iba-ibang styles.
And one thing I've heard about
Aesthetic.
architects, right? I think it's hard to get into that right now, right? Kasi a lot of competitions. Do you agree as someone that?
Yes, actually, pag mag-start ka pa lang, like, kung gusto mong pumasok sa architecture, it is actually difficult na, like, challenging
It's one
talaga.
of the
Kasi,
hardest course after all,
yeah,
right?
like, sa pag lalaan pa lang ng slots mo, pagpasok mo sa universities, mahirap na talaga eh. Tapos pagpasok mo doon, mas mahirap na naman. Ganon. Like, lalo ka pa nagsisimula ka, ganon.
When you when you were studying like first year, did you have some like, although it's not, is this related to? Anyway,
Let's go.
I'll ask you anyway.
Let's go, yeah.
When you started like first year, let's say first year, first week, did you have some struggles to fit in?
Yes, madami actually. Kasi pag magsisimula ka, like, marami silang, hindi sila na, actually, sorry to say this, pero nung first year ako, iilan lang ang nagtuturo talaga na professor, and especially sa mga subjects na kailangan talaga ng creative. Like, mostly kasi, sa first and second year of architecture, actually, 5 years kasi yung course ko.
Yeah.
So first and second year, puro manual talaga, or like traditional, like gumagamit ka talaga ng actual na lapis.
P-square, diba?
Yeah. Ayun. Ngulit yun. Kalimutan ko. Yeah.
It's eventually AutoCAD.
Yeah.
Muscle memory lang talaga eh.
Yeah.
By the way, I have a hot take when it comes to those kind of creative. I don't know if this is true, but on my point of view, as someone who's not good at art, so definitely not listen to me, but this is what I think. If you're good at composition, you're good at art.
Well, yeah. Meron mga art
Composition is a
form.
big deal.
Meron mga art form na hindi mo kailangan ng malupit na anatomy, perfect, may mga abstract art nga, pero magaling na yung composition.
So, basically, yun pala talaga yun. If you know where to put this, that's essentially how to become, like, at least above average artist.
Actually, kung
It's an important piece.
important piece.
I think that's a problem with me. I have zero concept of composition. I don't know. Like, whenever I'm drawing, bro, I just do it. If you know what I'm saying, yun yung sa akin counterintuitive eh. I'm perfectionist but I'm not competent. How's that work?
Ayun na yung pinaka
Incompetent perfectionist.
Diba? That's like
Would you look at that?
like how can I have those two like opposing things in
Like
one?
I have a warm refrigerator.
It's like an inner turmoil I have
Hindi
with
kasi
myself.
di ba, when we say composition, ang dami ng cover niyan eh. Like yung
Rule.
color theory,
Cutie.
Yeah.
I mean, you need to know
perspective,
Iba naman yung color eh.
mga ganun, composition.
Yung composition, yung aesthetically kung pleasing ba yung position
sige.
ng...
To give you an example, this table, in my point of view, this is art. That's
Oh,
I mean, you can say it's...
it is art, but it's not good art.
To be fair, ito gusto ko lang i-differentiate yung art at yung creative space.
Okay.
Kasi, okay
It's
naman, I guess,
subjective. It is
subjective.
subjective.
People say, for me kasi art is something that evokes emotion. It doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing as long as it invokes emotion. Sadness, happiness, despair, bad trip kasi yung dumi. Like, bro,
Oh my
that's
god,
art.
so I'm making art and like I want to punch my art, bro. Okay,
Hindi
I
kasi
think evokes
diba,
emotion,
yung iba
anger.
nga art yung ginagamit nila as therapy.
Say for
Actually,
example, yung pinaka-malaking difference na, kasi ito, these are things na parehong nasa creative space. You can actually do art or you can do illustrations. So, I mean illustrations, say for example, si Wolverine, Deadpool Wolverine, panoorin niyo. Good shit. Anyways, say gagawa ka ng illustration ni Wolverine. So bigyan ka ng directive kung ano yung gagawin mo. Illustrate mo for the people to see. So parang ipapakita mo sa tao na, hey, dinadepict mo si Wolverine, say with ink or with whatever. But hindi necessarily na may in-evoke na emotion yan para, okay, si Wolverine. Whereas art is something na, sabihin natin, papel, tas may sipon. Yung kusang kadiri, di ba? Oh, dude, that's art. That's art-er, you know what I mean? Tissue na may sipon.
So art doesn't necessarily mean it should be aesthetically pleasing, as long as it evokes something.
That's for me. But I'm not sure. I suck
mean,
at this. I only dabble. Yeah,
Come on, you're the goat here, man.
bro.
That's actually a
That's
good
what I-
thing.
that's what
It's a good thing. Every art you see, you feel something out of it. Maybe nostalgia or
Disgust.
sadness
Deep
or
abstract, right?
kahit abstract, kahit yung saging na naka-duct tape sa pader. What feeling does it invoke?
No, let's not talk about those.
But anyway, but that's just
let's not talk about those money laundering stuff, but yun lang kasi yung ano ko eh, yun lang yung that's what I want to say that kasi usually I know a lot of architecture student. Not like I want to disclose why or how, but yun ang lagi na sinasabi na sobrang dami ng kakompetensya sa architecture course and namumroblema sila kung mag-thrive ba sila doon. All I wanna say is there are a lot. If you're that good at composing something, I can't do it. Even like probably half of my life spent doing it. Not as an architecture student though, but all I'm saying is there's a plethora of choices that you can have.
Yeah, for architecture students. Pwede ka nga maging theoretical na architect lang, natuturo ka lang. You don't have to create anything. You just know theory. Pwede yun, or you can actually gawa ka. Ang dami kasi I think people need homes, bro.
Actually. Or mag-interior design.
Interior design
stuff.
too, yeah.
Diba? Di ko lang kung may platform na pwede ka magbenta ng templates ng bahay. Tapos,
You can.
libre lang yung mga templates. Pero yung magbabayad sa'yo, kada upload mo is yung mismong
That's
platform.
kind of exploitative.
I
I
mean,
think
sure.
that's the word, but yeah.
Pwede
May
naman
ganun ba yun?
siguro
May mga ganun ba
May
yun?
mga apps na may template. So, I imagine binayaran.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
So that's the only reason why I asked them is to give hope to architecture student that it's not just architect. There's a lot of you could carve a lot of paths in your life.
Architecture is fun, bro.
Is it? Is it fun? Let's ask the architect. Is it fun?
Architecture, well, like 20%.
Okay.
Ano yung buong history ng design, yung different styles, yung different...
Broke.
Mga isms.
Totoo ba yung ano? Totoo ba yung...
Brutalism.
Yung brutalism ba yun? Yung,
I don't know, bro.
yeah, it's so cool.
Ano ba? Ayun ba yung ano? Totoo ba yung
Beef ng engineer.
mga architects, nightmare sila ng mga engineer?
May beef daw lagi yung engineer at
How
architect.
so?
Kasi di ba, let's say,
Aling engineer?
mga...
Kasi they go hand in hand. Lahat sila tropa dapat.
Yung mga ano, nag-build ng ano...
I mean, may civil, may electrical.
Civil.
Let's say civil, yung mga gumagawa ng infrastructure.
Kasi ay, dapat
Usually
ginawa na
formal.
lang.
Kunyari, may,
Kailangan ganito pa.
Which reminds
may spiral na building.
Which reminds me.
How we'll do this?
Which reminds me na laging sinasabi is, di naman kailangan ng architect, may engineer naman. Diba? Kaya yun isa sa mga stress. Ito ba yun na kaya rin, I'm not sure, baka I might get a lot of hate with this one. Pero sinasabi is, kaya naman daw ng engineer ang ginagawa ng architect.
Well, actually, ganito yun.
Yeah.
Architecture and like engineers,
I'm
let's
dumb.
say,
I'm
Hand in hand.
let's say
I don't know.
architecture or architects and civil engineers. No, let's say engineers. Like
In
it can
general.
be mechanical engineer,
Yeah,
civil,
yeah.
structural, like that. Nagkakaroon sila minsan ng feud actually between that profession. So yun. Sa architect also, it's let's say aesthetics, but it's just one of the factors na kailangang ano talaga kasi like when we say architect, like unang maisip talaga natin is aesthetics of the house, the design, the exterior, interior. But people don't know that architects,
Yung plumbing, importante rin yung plumbing.
yeah, pinag-aaral din namin yun actually.
I know stuff.
Yun ang alam kasi ng mga tao, like architects yun lang. Yung sa architects, yun lang yung mga ginagawa nila. But no, pinag-aaralan din kasi namin yung, aside from the aesthetics of the building, also the structural, the sanitary and plumbing, like that. And, also,
Intense.
and there are lots of another, let's say, mga subjects pa na kailangang aralin. Kasi kapag hindi alam ng architects yun, ng mga architecture student or, magkakaroon kasi ng ano like, let's say, dapat talagang yung mga architects or architecture student, may alam sila sa kahit basic nun kasi may mga, let's say, yung sa exploit, minsan kasi may mga engineers, sorry, I'm not implying or I'm not referring to somebody, like, yeah.
Wink!
Freaking engineers!
May mga engineers din kasi na ganito, parang walang background si, parang nakalimutan niya na ni architect yung ganitong bagay about our structural. So, let's just, okay, ganito yung gawin natin. Ganun kasi, yeah. That's it. Let's say it's not just override, but parang yung knowledge na kailangan lang doon o yung mga kailangan lang talaga ng structural, mas tinataasan pa nila para mas mataas yung bayad. Ganun kasi.
Okay.
Lalo, kaya dapat talaga yung mga architecture students or architects na talagang may alam sila, hindi nila kinakalimutan yung mga yun. Kaya doon nagkakaroon ng feud between the engineers and architects.
Gotcha.
Let's move on to the next question. Actually,
lahat of course.
kasi naisip ko kasi is maybe practicality.
May ganun siguro.
May ganun ba?
Iniisip
Ano,
na.
hindi ko rin alam eh.
Well, actually, ang architects is yung pinaka dapat talagang pinupuntahan ng client. Kunwari, magpapatay siya ng bahay, architect dapat kasi talaga. Hindi ko inaano yung hindi ko inaano yung
For sure.
Kasi architecture student ako. Like, architects kasi talaga dapat ang pinupuntahan ng mga client na kung sino gustong gumawa ng bahay. Kasi yung architect, siya na yung bahala doon kung sino yung kukunin niya na engineer. Tapos, kailangan ko nang gagawa ng structural. So, kukunin ko si ganito na engineer.
Kaya nasa taas ng hierarchy si engineer, kasi kukuha ng architect.
So now, actually interesting story, JB. Appreciate it now. Okay. Now, moving on with the fruitful topic that you brought up, because we're in the creatives, like talked about before. Now, I want to know if how did you start creating art? I mean, you guys have your own backstory, like anime flashback.
Unang spark.
Whatever.
When I was a young... When I was Boromir. Child.
Okay, so I want to ask first Denise, as we got awfully.
Tumalun kay Denise.
Marunong na mag-drawing si Denise.
Denise has become awfully quiet, so I want to know. Let me ask. What was your inspiration, or what was your the cataclysmic event that resulted you becoming an artist?
Hindi kasi for me,
What's that word?
yung,
Yeah, I love it.
Parang ano siya.
Wait, I just want to ask is. No, don't laugh at me. There's a follow-up question. I want to add, do you think being artist is something can be learned or something you're born with? Sagutin mo na yung unang tanong.
Fuck. That's a good question, actually.
I think can be learned.
Answer
Kasi,
the first question. How did you start? What's your inspiration?
Then answer the following
Yeah.
question.
Follow up.
No, you're doing it wrong.
Answer the follow-up,
Answer the-
please, for God's sake.
siguro
Kidding.
share ko na lang yung naging freelance makeup artist ako.
Mm.
Way back nung parang summer ko yun. Summer nung high school and senior high. Kasi at first, hindi ko talaga siya parang balak pagkakitaan kasi nga hindi naman ganun gaganda yung mga materials ko.
Mga mini-makeupan niya, hindi naman gano'n kaganda.
Bro,
Ano?
don't say that.
Hindi! Hindi, mag-share ako ng mga photos.
Okay, fine.
Hindi kasi, parang hindi ko siya balak nga pagkakitaan kasi nga, hindi ganun mahal yung makeup. And, parang na-compliment lang ako na, shit, Denise, ang ganda ng gawa, ganun. Tapos, nung una, free lang yun lahat sa mga nagpapa-makeup, like kapag may prom, yung mga junior, may prom, free lang. Tapos, yung isa sa friend ko, nag-debut siya, kinuha niya kami as a freelance na sa artist sa kanya. Tapos yun, ako nag-makeup sa kanya ng debut, pictorial hanggang debut. Tapos sunod-sunod na yun, parang nung nag-college ako, tapos parang nasa baseline lang yung rate ko noon. Hindi ako nag-ano kasi nga syempre.
Extra lang naman, diba?
Extra lang naman. Tapos yung iba kong mga na may make-upan, hindi ko sila hinihingian ng bayad. Nagbibigay sila ng product sa akin. Tapos ayun.
Advert placement pala si Denise dati.
Tsaka
pinagkakitaan
yung
niya.
sa question mo na pangalawas, kung sasagutin ko, art should be learned. Kasi
Hindi, if it's something
yeah.
you are born with or it's something can be learned.
something can be learned.
Okay.
Kasi hindi na hindi naman ako talaga magaling mag-makeup noon eh, parang parang nanonood lang ako ganun. Tapos ayun.
I think it's something you're born with though.
Walang genetic
Kasi paano
thread
paano
na
mo
associated with
ma-identify sa
talent.
sarili mo na shit,
Don't
artist pala.
immediately assume things, bro. We don't know
Dude,
that.
wala nga. Like, wala. Anong...
This baby? It's an artist.
That knows? Something tells me that's art.
Picasso, motherfucker.
Hey, your ultrasound shows me that your baby is going to be a singer. No.
Extra dexterous yung mga daliri niya.
Walang walang DNA.
Hindi kasi,
shit.
ako personally, kasi bata pa lang ako, nakikita ko ng mga classmates ko nag-drawing eh. Ay, nang gaganda. Tapos pag ginagaya ko, na magdo-drawing din ako, I just can't visualize things. 3-dimension. Do artists
Skill
can
issue,
do
bro.
that? I know it is. Can artists do that? Can you guys visualize things 3-dimensionally ba?
What? Yes. Everything is 3D, my guy.
No, visualize it.
Oh, 4D.
Weird, but
Can you visualize it in your head three-dimensionally?
Like sinisimplify mo
I
yung
think
figures?
talent, I feel, talent will always help. Feel ko na may tao talaga na fucking genius
Gifted.
level, piece of shit.
Pero,
Alam mo yun?
pero may question ako sa'yo. Saan ka ba anong parang tingin mo magaling ka?
I did.
I can't draw. Nagdraw
Hindi,
tayo ng
hindi,
graphic
hindi.
phone. I can't draw.
Hindi ko minimin sa pagdodrawing na. I mean, tinanong kita kung saan ka magaling.
Talent.
Kahit anong paraan, ganun.
I don't know. I'm not good at anything, bro. That's
Malay
What
mo
about
sa-
Riz, bro?
Sa,
What about
Sa
Riz?
poems, ganun.
Riz.
Saan ka nga magaling?
Dito ako magaling. Laki ako. To answer your question seriously, Denise, I don't know, actually. I don't know saan ako magaling. I tried
That's
a lot
that's a fair answer.
I tried a lot of hobbies. I'm not good at Dota. I'm not good at... I tried
Writing.
video editing. I tried painting. I tried writing. I've been mediocre to a lot of those things.
But the thing is, ganun naman talaga eh.
That's how you start,
That's how
bro.
you start.
No, I'm 24.
Just have to choose one
I'm 24.
to
I can't
allocate your
start over.
time.
No,
You can, bro.
I'm old. I'm decrepit. Anyways, what's this? Joke lang. So, yun. Ako kasi nakikita ko talaga yung mga classmate ko dati, nagdo-drawing sila. Sabi ko, may ganda na na. You know what? I'm gonna tap that shit over, bro. Sabi ko, what is this? Ano na, hindi ko siya makuha. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung skill na sabi muscle memory. I tried drawing a lot of things, I still can't.
Actually, no.
But you don't know that na yung batang yun, libo yung oras na yun nilalaan
Oh.
sa pagdodrawing.
He's drawing that, we're in a math lesson, bro. We're grade 1, bro.
Okay nga, I mean,
Hindi kasi,
Baka
baka kasi
inspired.
tingin mo lang sa gawa mo, hindi maganda pero yung ibang tao.
You know what? Let me show it to you and have a nightmare after this.
pwede din. Pero again,
Kasi diba,
oo nga,
perspective lang din kasi.
perspective din. Baka sa iba.
Come on, there's always what objective is. We can't say that everything is subjective. Like me, objectively handsome.
Let's go.
Anyway,
What do you think, Gana? You are, bro.
type L if you disagree. I'll take Joseph.
I feel na talent is there, pero I think hard work always beats it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, Lee.
Drive
Oo,
beats
yun.
it, drive.
Okay, Lee.
Ano Lee?
Rock Lee from Naruto, bro.
Oh, gago, diba? Oh, Rock Lee, exactly, bro.
Exactly. No chakra, all hard work.
Yeah.
Oo nga,
Full
nag-hit
on
sa
hard
akin
work.
yun. Sinabi
Yeah.
mo Kuya Ting.
Yeah.
Yung hard work talaga.
Hard work beats
Kasi
talent.
ano,
That's
kasi
the quote.
parang pag may parang nag-spark sa'yo na shit, gusto kong gawin to, tapos ginawa mo, tapos hindi mo nagustuhan, tapos mag-stop ka na kasi nga hindi mo nagustuhan.
Ano na ako eh. You know what? I'm not for this line of
Parang hindi mo
work.
na talaga siya call.
Oh my god, am I a loser? What?
No.
Diba? No, sabi nga nila, giving up is the graveyard or some shit to your dreams or whatever. Anyway,
Yeah, but
enough-
losing is a good thing.
that's the thing. When it comes to losing, I'm the strongest, bro.
That's good. Kasi
What
you learn.
what good will that do in my
Because you
life?
learn from your losses.
That's the thing. All I'm earning are lessons with no actual skills. How is that profitable?
Okay.
Anyway, moving on. Now,
Hindi, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna comment on talent beats hard work. Sobrang, may nakita ko talaga nun eh. Like, ako first-hand experience nun eh. Grade 6 ako, may kaklase ako. I'm just gonna call her Manatabi Ronto. Kasi ayun yung ano niya eh. ayun yung art name niya eh.
Called her Grace. I don't know.
Ayun kasi yung art name niya.
Okay.
Manatabi.
Okay, I see.
Tapos,
Oh, you just f***ing called her out, bro.
yeah.
oh, it's not her real name though. But,
Okay, yeah.
tapos, nag-drawing ako noon one time. Like, random drawing sa notebook. Then, tumabi siya sa akin. Tinitingnan niya. Tinanong niya ako, paano mag-drawing ng anime? Kasi anime yung dinadrawing ka nun. So, ang drawing ko lang yung buhok lang and yung face. And then, lagi ko na siya nakikita, drawing na, bumili siyang sketchpad. Ganun.
Ikaw yung inspiration niya.
Tapos,
Ikaw yung talent, bro.
Ikaw yung talent niya, drive.
ayun nga eh. Tapos, nagdodrawing siya. Ako, sa notebook pa rin nagdodrawing siya sa sketchpad. Kinokopya yung ginagawa ko. Tapos, next school year, magkahiwalay kami ng section. So, tapos,
May divergent paths.
divergent paths na kami.
Balik.
Yung naging ano niya.
I think inspiration ka, pero naging ano
Ikaw
ka lang.
yung spark niya.
Yeah, ikaw lang yung ano.
Sabi ko,
This guy.
pati yung mga ano ko, yung mga nakaklase ko na dati, hindi sila, nagtipong pag may art nagpapadrawing sila sa akin, babayaran nila ako 5 pesos and shit, ganun. Ngayon,
Bargain, bro.
ngayon nagdrawing na sila, mas malulupit na drawing nila sa akin, tapos napapost na ako na, sana gumaling kayo mag-drawing ng mga klase ko pa kayo, ganun.
Para may magaya ka. Yun daw yun, di ba? Pag nasa top of food chain ka, magiging komportable ka.
Hindi kasi ako, di ko talaga pinurso. Hindi ko siya,
Pag wala akong competition, so dapat marami kayong kaaway para...
ano,
How about Chris?
ako kasi, inspiration ko, dati, naalala ko dati, una kong drawing pating eh. Alam mo yung Diyos na palabas?
Let's go! Yung gano'n. Yung shark na gano'n.
Yung CD, di ba dati uso yung CD na matigas, tas may CD sa loob? May ganun ako. Tas doon ako kumakopya ng drawing dati. Kasi wala namang magazine, wala namang Pinterest dati, di ba? Walang phone. Doon ako kumakopya ng mga drawing ko. Dinrawing ko yung pating na nakanganga. Tas paulit-ulit yun, dinadrawing ko lang yun. Yung pating na yun. Hanggang sa eventually, kasi di ba walang, iulo lang ng pating yung nakikita doon. Dinrawing ko yung katawan ng pating, kinumpleto ko, ganun. Tas hanggang sa, nag-drawing ako ng, marami akong CD na balot na CD. Lahat na kinokopya ko sa drawing na yun, dinadrawing ko lang siya sa isang papel, tapos gagawa ko ng scene dun sa, magagawa ng environment. Kunwari, si Arnold Schwarzenegger, yung Terminator yan, dun sa kabila. Kasi sa kabila, sa G.I. Joe, si Snake. Alam mo yan?
Ay, maganda yun. Have fun with it.
Ganun, nagko-compose lang ako ng iba't ibang, dinrawing ko lahat ng character na nasa CD dun sa isang papel. Tapos parang nakabuo ko ng splash art. Doon ako na-excite. Tapos, hanggang sa natuto ako gumawa ng sarili kong character, OC, mga ganun. Tapos nawili lang ulit ako nung sumasali na ako sa school, poster making arts, ganun. Tapos, eventually, ang nag-spark ng inspiration ko para magbenta ng drawing is yung mga nakita ko sa Facebook. Ulit, Facebook community, mga ganun. May mga nagbebenta ng drawing or may mga nagbebenta ng template na character posing, ganun. Tapos, ayun. Kumuha ko ng mga commission. Mga maliliit na commission lang. Parang hindi ganun kalaki. Hindi siya online, mga classmate ko lang, mga kaibigan ko. Gusto lang gumawa ng parang story. Kasi dati uso yan eh, yung gagawa ka ng, nagsusulat ka ng story. Tapos parang Wattpad, alam niyo yun? Alam niyo yun? May mga ganun, nagsusulat ng story, tapos gusto nila gumawa ng character. So, ang gagawin nila, para akong ChatGPT noon, magbibigay sila ng description sa akin.
Okay.
Tapos, bibigay nila sa akin, ako yung mag-drawing.
For cover nila, yung ganun.
For cover nila.
That's nice,
Book covers,
that's
mga ganun. Excuse me. Tapos, ayun.
No, you're not excuse.
Ayun yung naging inspiration ko para mag-drawing. Tapos, eventually, nagkaroon ako ng work, nawala yung passion, nawala yung parang jive, yung tempo, hindi na ako masyado nag-drawing. Tapos yun, nag-drawing lang ulit ako nung napunta na ako Recruit Asia kasi parang gusto kong alisin yung kalawang sa creativity ko eh. Yan. Sharpen your teeth.
That's nice. Humbling experience din. Thank you guys. I really appreciate things you're sharing. All of the things you're sharing. Do you agree that those kind of hedonistic hobbies like social medias, like games, kills an artist?
How about you, Denise?
For me, nag-gain ko lang siya nung nag-boom yung YouTube. Kasi di ba parang,
YouTube. PewDiePie did that, right? It's the same thing.
yun yan, parang nagkaroon ng gateway yung mga, yung mga beginners, yung mga walang alam, di ba?
Nag-start ka rin ba sa anime na drawing o hindi? Kasi yun yung alam ko eh.
Hindi lang naman ganun eh.
Hindi-
Madaming branch, di ba?
Although, ang usually ginagamit nung panahon ko, nung high school ako, is anime yung naging gateway nila.
Dahil lang sa anime.
Oo.
Kasi, madami akong art style na tinry. Like, sobrang dami yung mga 3Ds, na drawing, ganun. Tapos, mga yun nga, yung, ang gusto ko kasi talaga yung,
Semi-realistic.
semi-realistic. Ganun. Hindi ako nag-anime kasi parang ang pangit ko
Ayaw mo
mag-drawing ng
stylish.
ganun. Kasi, di ba kapag bata ka,
Stylized.
nung time ko kasi, nung parang nag-start ako mag-drawing, ang tigas ko magsulat. Yung parang madiin ako magsulat. Kaya, ang
Ay, dapat ba magaan na ka? O pala drawing ka?
Kapag
Kasi ginagaya ko yung mga artists, gumaganon-ganon lang, tapos ang bilis, tapos I can't do it. No?
Mga sketches na. Kailangan talaga magaan kami mo. Tapos yun, yung siguro nag-gain ko lang yung skill ko sa panonood lang talaga.
Now, I kind of want to know if, how about you, JB? What was your, how did you, no, I'm not gonna put you in a pedestal. Wink, wink. How did you gain your skills? How did you hone them? What are the advice you can give to our viewers? So, maybe they could apply it to themselves.
Yeah, I hone my creative skills by sunod-sunod na paggawa ng mga portraitures, like portraits. Like, nag-start ako as, nagdo-drawing lang ako ng mukha ng artista, ganun, sino-sino artista lang. Tapos minsan, nakaka-drawing ako ng mga tatlo. Tapos, ang ginagawa ko dun, sa first day, ito yung nagawa ko. So, puro outline lang to ganun. Tapos, the funny thing, nung ginagawa ko yun is, yung art materials na ginagamit ko, yung mismong ink ng G-Tech.
Oo,
Yun.
kapal kasi yun eh.
Tapos yun yung ginagamit ko. Paano ko gagawin tong Kasi wala pa ako talagang
Shading.
Hindi ko pa alam talaga kung paano yung buhok, ganun. Ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggal ko yung tip ng mismong filler, tapos ginaganon ko siya. Like,
ang gastos ba?
Actually, totoo, ang gastos niya. Tapos na-realize ko na lang siya after like mga isang week ko nang ginagawa. Nakakailan na akong andito, ang gastos ko. Tapos, pero, naman, like, masaya naman ako kasi, yung nasa isip ko kasi syempre, yung gamit kong yung tinta is high quality, ganun yung nasa isip ko kasi medyo pa ako noon yung mga senior high school days ko pa yon, kaya parang pa yung pag-iisip ko noon. Tapos ang ginagawa ko noon, kaya ako nag-gain yung nahuhon yung skills ko kasi doon sa mga drawings na yun na puro outline lang, tinitignan ko kung ano yung kulang. Kunwari, it's just outline, ano kayang kulang, pwede kong idagdag para ma-improve yung art ko na yun. So parang kulang siya sa like shades, like shadows, ganun. Tapos yung mga, highlights. Especially sa mga strands ng buhok, ganun. So, doon na nag-start. Actually, nag-start ako, yun nga, ink talaga ng G-Tech. Tapos, after nun, nagsimula na akong bumili ng mga lapis. Actually, yung lapis ko lang nun is yung Mongol 2 lang. Doon ako nag-start nun. Tapos, parang hindi ko gusto. Ganun, kasi mas gusto ko yung talagang yung outline talaga nung drawing is talagang black na black, kitang-kita ganun. Tapos ang ginawa ko nun, nanood ako na sa YouTube, kung ano yung ganun. Tapos nag-join ako sa sa Facebook pages, ganun. Tapos ganun pala, may mga iba't ibang shade ng tawag dun, like
Shadow ba?
like shade ng lapis. Grade. That's the term, the grade of the pencil.
Now we talk about composition. How to become good at composition? Because I'm not good at it. I need an advice.
Not good at it.
No, I mean as an
there's-
artist. You guys are an artist. You guys are renowned in your own field.
Ako may mga theories akong sinusunod.
Okay. Like what? Give an example for our audience. And me?
My gold, my Archimedes spiral, my rule of thirds.
Hindi ba sa photography yan?
Essentially photography. So ang point na Archimedes spiral, may spiral, tas dun sa pinaka
Parang
dulo niya, dun yung pinaka dun pinaka
Fibonacci sequence mo yung ganun star. Pag ganun.
Yeah. Iba naman mathing.
Yeah.
Dapat doon ang pinakamadaming action sa part na yun. Doon madodraw yung mata, yung attention ng tao. So, pwede yun, kung yun yung point mo, pwede din na sa gitna lang siya, na gusto mo ng symmetry, iba, may mga dualisms din, dami theories, pero saka hindi mo kailangan maging master. Number one rule of thumb, if it looks good, it's probably good. Yeah.
So, ikaw JB, how...
Si JB kasi di ba? Architecture.
siya. So,
Kailangan may perspective, may
composition,
sukat.
yun nga, yun. What's your thought process with your composition whenever you're making something?
Like, nung nag-start ako, actually, wala talaga. Like, actually, hindi mo agad maisip yun na kailangan pala na ganun. Tapos, yung composition kasi, you can actually wala. Actually, you can find it in yourself. Or, you can learn it. Nung pumasok ako ng architecture, dun na nagsimula na tutunan ko. Like, yung sa, spiral, they call that?
Archimedes.
Yeah.
In
Perspective naman.
So fucking, I can't do this. Sorry. Oh, don't kill it.
We're not gonna kill it. We're gonna put it in our orange juice. Orange juice.
Yeah, ayun. Yung sa amin naman, ang tawag kasi dun is golden ratio.
Yun nga.
Yeah.
I was right.
It's it's quite similar, pero kasi ang alam ko sa golden ratio is it's a sequence of boxes na papalaki, pero para din siyang tulad sa spiral. Ganun.
Ano tawag doon?
It's the math of beauty.
Yung sa shell.
Yun nga. It's a matter of beauty. It's the law of nature, whatever. So the question I'm asking is, do you agree that art tools is it justifiably expensive or not?
Natin.
Or it depends?
Use whatever you have.
Oo. Use what's available.
Ako, I feel like I become good at drawing if the tools I'm using are expensive. Or, I don't know. Maybe that's just
I
me.
mean, it's more convenient if you have the proper tools and you know how to use them. Or if you don't, you can still learn.
If you're looking for, quality talaga, you should invest.
If you're professional, invest, of course.
Mag-i-invest ka talaga, syempre.
So, Kuya, how do you gauge the price of your artwork? Come on, you could come back there later,
Ako?
bro.
Yung price?
Kasi,
How do I price, bro?
Yeah.
It depends.
okay, how?
On my market.
Okay.
And how easy it is. Number one na rule ko ay dapat hindi ko i-regret yung price na ibibigay ko. Kasi dati, ganun yung ginagawa ko, underprice ko yung sarili ko. Tapos eventually, after super hardcore quality work, ma-realize ko, kulang yung hiningi kong presyo. So, number one, dun ka sa comfort zone mo na feel mo worth it yung time mo. Subjective yun, eventually, akit yun. Kung bago ka, tatanggapin mo yung
I guess,
yung mababa.
client first muna para may taga-vouch.
Tapos, eventually, say, may patrons ka na, say, or mas may demand na sa art mo, doon mo na bigyan ng premium kung gusto mo, taasan mo.
Pero ikaw, JB, since nagka-commission ka dati, or I don't know kung ngayon, how do you price yung paano mo pina-price yung project mo?
Kaya kay Kuya Tim, it depends talaga.
Yeah.
Kunwari kung ang lahat kasi ng commissions ko, mostly ng mga commissions
Do you have a
ko.
price range para alam ng audience natin baka gusto mong pagawa sila?
Depends.
Okay, wag. Okay, that's a bad thing.
Mostly kasi yung mga commissions ko ay mga portraits. Like, kunwari kung mukha lang siya, maybe it just ranges from...
Don't say the price.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Price, I don't know. You can say
the price.
Okay, baka kasi i-lowball siya. But...
Sa akin it may be low, pero ang price ko dun is like 1K to 2. Kasi mukha lang siya eh. Tapos you can just, gaya mo siyang gawin sa isang buong araw lang. Or minsan di pa buong araw, mga ilang oras
so
lang.
Depende sa
Ganun.
comfort level niya.
Yeah.
Anong thoughts niyo sa mate rates?
May traits?
Mate rates. Presyong kaibigan.
Like, how close are you, bro?
Ikaw, what do you think?
Kung tropa, why the hell not? Dagdag portfolio.
Actually, okay.
Pero kung ang dami na,
pag sobrang
pag wala akong ginagawa.
hirap ng papagawa sa akin,
Tapos mate
friendly
rates.
rate.
Pag super low though, no.
Anong yung quality ng drawing mo? Pang tropa lang din. Diba?
Yeah, actually. No, that's good.
That's smart.
Tanggapin mo na tropa naman kasi.
Come on, bro. You can say no. I didn't say no to you, bro. We're friends, right?
Diba, gano'n lang yan eh. Parang yung praise namin lagi sa BPO dati. Yung effort dapat tagmakasweldo.
Show.
May tanong ako about that. Pag nagtatrabaho ba kayo, paano ba? Hindi nyo sinasadyang na-overkill nyo or intentional yung hindi ginagandahan? May ganun ba? Pag
You don't wanna go all out. You don't wanna go all out.
Pag mas yung price, hindi ba kayo nag-all out? Or all out lagi?
All out lang.
Ako sa umpisa all out lagi eh. Kasi impression kasi yun eh.
Sabag.
Kapag patagal ng patagal, pilitin ko mag-all out, di na
Kaya
kinakaya ng
pala.
energy ko. Totoo lang.
How do you overcome creative burnout or creative block?
The secret is you don't.
You know, or
I don't know, bro.
the best way to overcome creative block or creative burnout is
Walk it off, bro.
get used to it.
Skill issue. Joke lang.
Now let's serious note. How do you overcome?
Ako, personally, tumitingin ako sa trends eh. Pag gusto ko mag-drawing pero wala akong maisip i-drawing. It's either pupunta ako dun sa community kung saan ako part, tapos mag-propose ako dun, give me 6 character descriptions.
Oh,
And then I will draw it.
Nag-ano ka?
Or gagawa ko ng parang manonood ako ng movie.
Census.
Ganun. Tapos gagawa ko ng sarili kong OC character na inspired din sa movie na yan. Kunyari, Fallout Shelter or Fallout.
Denise.
Wala, for me, yung thirst mo lang yung sarili mo.
Sa bagay, pag wala kang pera, no? May choice ka ba maging creative?
That's
No, diba? Tayo pag wala kang pera, may ano ka ba? May karapatan kang magkaroon ng creative block or creative burnout. We're gonna eat.
Alipin ka na sa labi.
adversity.
Hardships. Sorry.
Hardship
Hardships is your motivation, Denise. Sorry.
Ko dun.
Ay,
Ni Chris. Na parang kailangan mo lang din talagang uhawin yung sarili mo. Parang ganun.
Figuratively.
Uhawin yung sarili mo. Parang kapag, syempre pag pagod ka na, di ba? Kalang pa.
Kasi pag sinasatisfy mo lagi yung yung sarili mo na mag-drawing ako, tapos gagawa ko ng ganito. Ganyan. Pag magiging monotonous na yun na parang ginagawa mo na siya lagi.
okay, so moving on. I guess we already figured out the competition. We both know every place, every work has a lot of competition. You're always fighting.
Naman,
tooth
kahit saan
and
naman
nail with
Basta
everyone.
Siguro yung
Kahit sa
point doon,
freelance.
build your niche, tapos gawa ka ng style na ito sa art, sa ginagawa namin, gawa ka ng style na parang
Mag-stand out kayo?
mag-stand out, whatever it may be it color, be it yung line work mo, be it
What do you guys think about AI? And what do you guys think about AI? As for me, I have, unbridled...
Personal grudge.
Yeah, I have unbridled hatred to AIs. Yeah, I have a personal grudge. It's personal. AI, if you're listening, I'm a fold you in half, bro. But anyway, I just want to know what are your thoughts about AI, especially that it's starting to become a little scary. If you're watching a lot of news lately, some are getting sentient. I don't know, but
Some are getting sentient.
I don't know. I'm not seeing news, but that's what I'm feeling for. I'm not really that afraid, but I just hate it.
I mean, concern siya sa art community, especially may mga cases na since machine learning algorithm yung AI,
use that word. Okay.
parang parang it has to be
Regulated.
kailangan may reference yung AI para makapag-copy siya. 'Di ba? So may instances na yung isang artwork na isang, let's say, sikat na tao kukunin ng programmer tapos ituturo sa AI nila para yung AI nila ma-replicate yung art style.
Or
may case na gano'n case Sam Das Arts.
Or
yeah.
hindi naman ma-replicate yun.
I-replicate nila. Like
Hindi
literally.
replicate. Usually, ginagamit lang as parang point of reference. As
Yun na
amalgamation, parang hotdog.
Hindi. Joe. Ang mismong prompt na ginagamit nila, kunyari, ang page ko is pangalan, Chris. Chris. Tapos,
There's a
yung,
term for that, actually.
may yung programmer, kukunin yung art ko, galing sa page ko, ipaprogram nila yung AI nila para gumawa ng art style na tugma sa art style ko.
Yung art style pa lang kinakopy.
Yung art style yung kinakopy
Okay,
nila.
copy
Parang
mo.
Disney.
Okay.
Make a Disney character, ganun.
Yeah. Wow, great episode. Amazing. But I think there's a bonus question from our director. Director, what's your question? Sige, director na para. Director, what's your question? Read it out loud.
Sabi dito, if you are, how would you explain your art to someone from... How would you explain your art to someone who are completely different culture or planet, let's say?
Okay. So, on a serious note, okay, because you know, aliens, we don't know if they're real or not, but if they visited us, at least we can use a bargaining chip, like show them some cultured art pieces so they won't destroy our
This
planet.
is a human anatomy. This is a female.
No, don't go detail on that. So, okay, just a fun question before we put the final nail in the coffin in this podcast, I guess.
Joseph's hating this podcast. I can tell you that.
No, I love it. I love art. But AI is killing me. It's 5G.
I love art.
I love art. Oh my god, I'm coughing blood. Anyway, yeah. So how will you explain art to a visitor from other dimension or planet? Who wanna start? I explain it.
Oh,
It's-
sobrang narrow doon ng art
Ah,
style.
okay, I'll explain it. It's,
Ibang dimension, bro. Like fucking 4D. That's fucking hard. Isipin natin, okay.
Imagine the horror,
Wait,
bro.
let's science it, bro.
Can you come?
I'm a 3-dimensional person.
Okay.
How will I explain my art to either a 2-dimensional being or a 4-dimensional being? 2-dimensional being meaning
Si Mario.
si Mario. How the would I explain my art kay Mario, bro? Ano ba nakita ni Mario? Di ba mga linya
Linya
lang?
lang. I got it.
Isang buong ano.
Yo,
Isang pixel.
sabi, yo, this art, bro. I don't know, man. Is this your art? Kinda sucks, bro. I mean,
Siguro ang question na lang is,
no. Let's stick with that question. Marunong ka pa sa host.
Baka alien. Baka aliens. Baka hindi ibang dimension.
Aliens.
It depends. Hindi, sabi, ooh, color.
Excuse me, I can see the colors in all the spectrum, bro.
Ooh, shiny.
I guess this alien. This is a translation of a human soul.
It's not you. Art is shit, bro.
You know, why am I the one speaking
Sounds
so?
like a fucking AI prompt.
No freaking way. Maybe I'm AI. No. Let me cook. Okay. Alien, this is art, and this is the amalgamation of a human soul put into a picture. Simple. I have no idea what you just said, bro. I don't speak English.
Dumb
Hablo
shit.
inglés, senor. How about you, Chris?
Ako sobrang narrowed down ng art style mo. Papakita ko sa kanya. This is a human on its most aggressive form.
If you see one like this, you better run, bro.
If you see one like this, holding this, you should run.
Area
They're
50.
probably from American movies.
Yo. Area 51.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. How about you, Kyutem? Explain your art in a 4-dimensional being.
I can't. Yung alien ba may fingers? May opposable thumbs.
Hopefully.
It's a gray.
The gray alien, yeah. The default alien that is being portrayed by everyone, bro.
Hirap naman. Putay na.
Come on. Think of anything poetic BS, bro, like what I did.
This is the amalgamation of humanity. This is what we live for. We don't usually do
That's
this shit.
animated.
Yeah. We usually work for our entire lives. But sometimes, you know, we tend to dabble.
With this shit! With dabble. How about you, Mr. JB?
Maybe I'll explain.
say, Mr.? I don't know why.
Maybe I will explain art using another form of art, which is theater. Well, I will. No. Like related siya sa theater, like body language.
paano yun?
So I assume na may mata yung alien. So, I will just. This is.
Balik ko lang gawin yung gesture sa
Nagdok sa ulit yung alien.
Well, at least you illustrated as di ba?
How about you, Denise?
Kaya sabihin ng alien, you think I didn't study you before coming here?
I studied you for eons, my guy. What do you mean? Your entire civilization is just like a 1 day year old of my son, bro.
Sabi ng alien, nice.
Imagination.
Good.
Come on, bro. What's this? You're better than this. We have floating shit, and you guys have this.
You
whatever.
have large heads.
So, ano sa'yo, Denise? That's racist. The aliens, Denise. How dare you?
I mean,
That's how I,
they're aliens.
Parang demon lang.
I mean, I imagine na maintindihan tayo na aliens, di ba? If there's spacefaring aliens, oh my God.
Sasabi ng
May
Aaron Kennedy,
translator ship yan sila.
The heck do you take me for? I'm not our word.
See this picture?
Why do I have subtitles?
Oh my God, Chris. Why do I have subtitles? Oh my God. Oh,
I learned perfect English.
Siguro yung question na lang is, ano?
I studied in Massachusetts.
What is art for you na lang?
Ah, yun. Okay. No, that's a good question. What is art for everyone else? What is art for you, Denise? Then ikaw yung nag-isip.
For me, it's art for me is like an ocean. Kasi, I'm free eh.
Figurative.
I'm free.
Denise speaking metaphor.
Yeah.
Something new. Another added new
Hindi ba
idea
mas
from Denise.
maganda kung yung...
Let him cook, bro. It's hers.
Na for me,
Cancel bigla.
Ano? Ocean? Hindi ba mas maganda? Come on, bro. Come on. Mahilig ka talaga matapak ng tao.
Pwede kang malunod dun eh.
Okay.
I mean, okay. So,
Pwede naman
sa'yo.
yun sa
Okay, let her cook. That's her job.
yun nga, for me,
Okay.
Yes, art is like an ocean.
Art is like an ocean.
art for me is like an ocean. Kasi nga, I'm free to do all the things that I want.
Oh, okay.
Yun lang.
Ocean is 5 years old, bro. You can't. Four. Okay. How about you, JB? I'm sorry to forget your name, guys.
It may sound funny, but art for me is myself.
So your dad is the.
It's not that! Oh my God!
Anyway.
No. Well, may mga times na yung art is really underappreciated, right? Pero, art, for me, art is, yeah, sabi ko nga, ako yun. Well, kung walang makaka-appreciate na iba, well, I will appreciate myself.
you, JB.
We appreciate you, JB.
Appreciate JB, right, guys?
Of course.
Ano pa? Layla, do you appreciate JB? Yeah, okay. Everyone appreciates you, bro. We love you here in Recruit Asia. Right?
Yeah.
How about you, Chris?
Wait, yun ang sinabi ni JB, was
Yeah.
it?
Was that it?
It's for yourself.
Hindi. Art is him.
Art is you.
I am the living.
Yeah. He's the personification of art.
Yeah.
The living proof of art.
Art.
Damn.
Art.
Dude, pull up your
Art.
inner Shakespearean.
It's
Shakespeare.
a vessel of our emotions.
Damn.
The number one translation of what we feel without really...
Screw you, that's mine, bro. I was supposed to say that. Ah, God damn it. Now I have to change
I
mine.
said that the first 15 minutes of this job.
Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You stole my shit, but. How about you, Ketem? I have to take a new one for me, bro. He stole it.
Okay.
Oh my God, dude.
Sa akin, other than yung anyway, di ba, madaming pursuit sa buhay. Pwede ka mag-pursue ng sa medical field, or math, or science, or work. Lahat yun necessary, and I quote this from a movie, The Dead Poets Society. Necessary to survive. These things that we do every day in life. Pero, ayun nga, things necessary to live. Pero art, bro. Art, music, I don't know what else.
Cultured art.
Yeah, no, art, yeah.
In general.
It's what we live for, bro.
Okay, it's beautiful. Do you have anything else to add?
No.
Okay, so basically the romanticization. Can you drop your phone, Denise? We're about to end the podcast, bro.
Let's go. That's
Gosh!
it. I'm done, bro.
I can't with this disrespect, bro.
Sorry, I like...
Tsaka lang, tsaka.
I'm talaga hype.
Okay.
It's insane.
I won't be surprised if this will be uploaded in Unhinged, bro. That we are yet to create, by the way. Okay.
If you want to cancel Joseph, comment J.
Okay. As for me, art is the. Yeah, that's the art. Art.
That's profound.
I know. Enough to make a grown man cry. But for me, as someone who's not that adept in art, but I fancy art. Come on, we do, right? We all do. But I think art is the translation of a tangible translation for human soul. Yeah, I know.
That's deep.
Let it sink in. Let it sink in. Come on, you can have your morning tea or whatever. Let it sink in. That's beautiful. That's art. This is art. Life itself is art. And we're gonna end the podcast with that. Thank you for watching. Woo! That's like 3 hours. Wow, we're amazing. I love it. I love every single second of it, especially Denise. I appreciate your presence. I love you. Now, guys, I appreciate for staying with us. I know it's a lot of talks and all that stuff, but any shout outs, guys? And you have anything to say?
Thank you for the light.
Okay.
No, Miss Ree.
Miss Ree, of course! I almost forgot. Miss Ree.
Digital Coach Ree.
Hashtag Digital Coach Ree. Love you so much. We miss you.
And how many subs do we have now?
7K! Let's effing go!
Yeah.
Watch Deadpool and Wolverine.
It's
Yeah.
No, don't watch it so we'll have room in the theater.
Okay, I guess.
hindi yun na-encapsulate yung buong creative space. But yeah,
I mean, we did.
podcast.
We did our best. Especially from someone who's... Hey.
Salt papi.
Anyway, thank you guys. I hope you had fun.
Yeah,
Or you're having fun. But watch it at the ending, so they had fun.
I died 2 hours in, bro. Like,
Come
Yeah,
on, bro. I was
that's-
trying my best
yeah.
here. Yeah, it's amazing.
Good job.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys.
Thank you for joining us today,
The
JB.
JB, oh, the GOAT.
Yeah, it's gonna be episode 9.
Woo! If you don't have it, ay! Di pa tapos. I guess that's all then. See you next week. That's all. Paalam!